And then, I'm so excited about this. I shouldn't be. This is kind of sad, but, well, hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new, I'm Cam, and if you're a fellow beauty lover into all things hair, makeup, and skincare, then make sure that you join the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a video. Is it just me, or did Sephora already do a sale a couple weeks ago? And now we have another sale. I'm just as confused as you are. Well, this one's called the Gifts for All event, and apparently everyone's getting 20% off, which is crazy regardless of tier status. So that's kind of cool. I think though it's only a one-time use code, so I think you can only use it once as opposed to making multiple purchases during the VIB sale. I did buy a couple things during the VIB sale and only got 15% off, so I'm kind of a little upset about that. But then again, it's also nice that everyone gets a chance to get 20% off. But anyway, this is basically my combination haul of the two sales. So let's just jump into it. The best thing about when Sephora does a sale right before the holidays is all the amazing gift sets that they have. I mean, the value on some of these things was insane. I'm gonna categorize everything starting with hair. And first up, I got this Amika Good Vibes Only set. Look how huge this thing is. I was not expecting it when I opened the box and saw how big these sizes are. Just insane. Funny story, I had all three of these on my wish list, the full sizes of them, because I wanted to try them. And then I saw that all of them came in a gift set, so I was like, brilliant. And I've actually already tried a sample of this mask that comes in here, which is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. And this is what kind of got me intrigued about the brand in the first place. But it comes with two masks, the Soul Food Nourishing Mask and the Cure Intense Bond Repair Mask. And then this Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment, which currently I use the Kerastase Overnight Treatment. I'm really curious to see how this compares. Can't wait to test all of these out. You guys know I'm going to keep you updated. And yeah, this is an incredible value. I mean, these are huge, huge sizes of these products. I'm going to be linking all of these products down below in the description box, by the way, so that way you can snag them before they sell out, because a lot of these are selling out really quickly. Next up, I actually have begun a little love affair with the Oribe Gold Lust line, and I picked up this Oribe Obsessed set. This actually comes with the Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo, the conditioner, and the dry texturizing spray. So I already have the oil and the mask, and I think I'm gonna donate the conditioner to my husband. He's gonna really appreciate that because I'm using the mask, so I don't really need a conditioner. But I did wanna try out the shampoo and the dry texturizing spray. Actually, I was going to buy the dry texturizing spray on its own because I was really curious about it. Then I saw that it was in this handy dandy set and I thought, why not just try the whole line? It's actually a lot smaller than the Amika set. Goes to show how good of a value this one is. And I've actually already done a full in-depth review of the Gold Dust hair oil. So I'm gonna link that for you up here in case you're curious to see if it's worth the money, because it is so expensive. The whole line is, I mean, it's kind of crazy, but this was a really good value. If you're curious about the brand, I definitely recommend trying the holiday gift sets to dip your toes into it. And then speaking of shampoo, there can't be a Sephora sale without me restocking the Olaplex No. 4 shampoo. This is my go-to shampoo that I use every wash, and I actually just saw that they came out with liter sizes, so I'm probably going to end up switching to getting those because I just go through so much of this shampoo. But we'll see if the Oribe Gold Dust shampoo gives it a run for its money. I'm very curious to see how it compares. So far, I have not found anything better than this shampoo. Again, I've reviewed it. I'm gonna link it up here for you. Out of everything I've tried, this shampoo, mwah. And then just rounding out the hair care category, I picked up this PCA Bond Repair hair treatment by the INKEY list. And I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more INKEY list products because I really hate their packaging, but I caved because this was so cheap, and it's supposed to be a bond repair leave-in spray for hair damaged by bleach, dye, and heat, which mine is damaged by all of the above. At this point, I've been trying a lot of bond repair products and the like, and I've got so many things to review for you guys. I'm so backed up, but I wanted to add this to the list because it is so affordable and we'll see if it's as good as the more expensive options or whether it's just not worth it at all. As far as makeup goes, I have not been wearing a lot of makeup recently, as I told you guys, because I've been so busy, but I've been wanting to try this setting spray. I mentioned it on my channel before, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is what I've been waiting for. I remember seeing this set last year during their holiday sale and I didn't get it, but this is by far the most economical way of getting their setting spray, which is quite pricey. I think for a little bit more than one of the travel sizes, you get 2 of them. It's by far the best deal on these, and I was waiting for the sale, hoping that they had this gift set again. That way I could pick it up. And I'm really excited about this because I've heard a lot of good things about it. And then, I'm so excited about this. I shouldn't be. This is kind of sad, but I picked up this gorgeous Shiseido eyelash curler. It is gold, and I don't know if you guys have seen my eyelash curler, but I think I got it at like TJ Maxx or something. It's blue, and the blue is like wiping off already, and I don't have any more of those like replacement pads for it. Needless to say, I felt like I needed a replacement, and I actually had a Shiseido eyelash curler. It was just like the regular silver one, I think in like high school and college, and I don't know what happened to it, but I remember that it was really, really good, and apparently it's what makeup artists use on celebrities, so I think this is the best of the best as far as eyelash curlers go, and it came in this like limited edition gold color, which I love all things gold. Can't resist it. Like, I have a gold straw right now for crying out loud. So, no brainer. And then moving on to body care kind of things, skincare stuff. If you have not smelled this yet, go to Sephora, smell this scent. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa? Cheirosa? I'm not even going to pretend I know how to pronounce that. 68 scent. This is Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit. And let me tell you something. I tried the body lotion of this first. It was amazing. My husband was smelling me going, "What is that smell? Because you smell so good." And when I saw that they came out with a fragrance of it, first of all, they had a set before with the moisturizer and the fragrance, and I really wanted to get that. And it sold out. I'm telling you guys, like the gift sets are selling out, and I'm trying to get my hands on them as soon as I can. But this smells amazing. It's actually a dupe for Baccarat Rouge, and I heard about it, but I'd never smelled it before. So I went into Neiman Marcus to smell it, and it does indeed smell like it. And I've already opened this. I've been using this. I could not resist. I'm gonna get some in my mouth probably, but this smells incredible. Yeah, it's in my mouth. It doesn't taste that good. But this scent is amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, go get your hands on it. Now, I'd actually tried a sample of this product before, and that's why I wanted to get it. And it's the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I'm sure you've seen this before. This is just like a little limited edition holiday travel size. But I got little sample packets of it, and it's really good for getting any razor burn areas that you might have, or like ingrowns. Really, really helps with the bikini line in particular. I actually tried it on my armpits as well, and I feel like I might have got a rash from it. I'm not quite sure. This also helped with my legs with the ingrowns on them. So if you especially deal with ingrowns, this is really, really good. The little sample packets that I got lasted me like dozens of uses probably. So I figured that I only need a travel size, especially because I'm still trying to gauge my skin's reaction to it. Like I said, it kind of like caused a rash on my underarm. I don't know if maybe it was just reacting with my deodorant or something, but I've used it on the bikini line and on my legs with really good results. And I recommend it for exactly if you have itchiness after shaving or just really want nice, smooth skin. I know it's specifically made for, I believe it's keratosis pilaris, where you have like the bumps on your underarms. So I'm sure it's good for that too. But I especially love this after shaving, like I said, because I get the worst itchy legs, and this has really helped a lot. And then lastly, this is just like a 100-point sample that I wanted to pick up, but I figured I'd include it. And it's the Dr. Barbara Sturm The Good C Vitamin C Serum. So this brand is really expensive, and I feel like I've never heard of it before this year. And all of a sudden I saw it at Sephora. So I figured why not try it. I actually just finished off another vitamin C serum that I really disliked, and I'm gonna spill the deets on that in another video for you guys. But this apparently is really good for sensitive skin. I think it only has 5% vitamin C, which might not be enough to actually see that much results from it, but it's still a good antioxidant, and especially because I have rosacea, I think I was using a 10% vitamin C serum. I just figured I'd pick this up, give it a try, see if this brand is worth like the exorbitant price tag that comes with it. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. It's by no means a huge haul. I'm not even gonna attempt to call it that because I was really on a limited budget this year, but I wanted to share with you guys just because there's so many amazing gift sets out there right now, and with everyone getting 20% off, now is the time to get them if you want. Again, I'm gonna link everything in the description box so you don't miss out. And yeah, that's just my little haul. I hope you guys get everything you want before it's gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button down below if you did. Really helps my channel grow. And as always, I'm gonna leave you with just a couple of other videos, you know, in case you're sitting there binge watching. And make sure to click on my face. This is the most important part. Click on my face to subscribe to my channel. Join the Cam fam. Rock and roll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.